All right, so one thing I'm going to do too is we're going to set up let's call this big delay or something like that, and we'll make it orange too, like we did on the first one. And we'll bring this down. We'll load RIA delay. And, kind of same idea here, but what I want to do is get it to have a certain grittiness to it. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So let's send the piano to big delay. And then what I want to do is mute everything and then hear what we got. See how it sounds at 6? No, it is, I do want a half note. So we gotta bring this down though a bit. Try to get it really dark. Alright, it's silly, I need to kill this too so I can really hear what I'm doing. Really dark. I can thin it out. Yeah, so somewhere around like here. And now what I want to do is actually add some distortion to this. I think beforehand. And we're going to go for a tape sound, and we'll go with like a warm one, and we'll try to... So of course that's pretty loud right now too. And what we can do also is to make it like a ping pong is we can bring that to the left and bring this all the way to the right and make this go all the way over here. But what we'll do is also bring the feedback down on this one, because otherwise it'll go too long. Yeah, so you can see it kind of like has a weird like back and forth sort of a thing. So that'll just help because it's such a like a kind of a I don't know, I'd say like a small sound that we do need to add some space on it. So I'm going to return the wet to 0 and control the amount I want to send based off of the amount that I'm going to send. So we'll go back up to, here we are, the high piano, and we'll bring this down. I don't mind actually hearing it. Yeah. So let's see how that sounds. I'm going to solo it just so we can hear that real quick.